that apple opportunity.
Well, he just sneezed and I missed it. I was stirring my jello. You can't leave your jello alone, you know. There's my kitty. You upset? I'm convinced I missed it. I'm going to stir my jello with the camera on. Stir my jello. Pretty exciting. This is my special jello recipe. Only I don't just add water. You should see what I add. Applesauce. That's what I add, plus water. I'm not going to do it now, I bet. See? That's applesauce. And then you kind of mix together. It's about a half a cup of applesauce. I don't want a whole cupful or it gets like really firm. Not as good. And you gotta stir it up good. Takes a long time to gel though. What I like about it is it's got two layers. It's got like an applesauce gelatin at the bottom and then just pure jello at the top, which I really like. I don't know why this just doesn't want to mix, but I'm doing all this because I'm hoping Bill will sneeze. And he's not sneezing. He's not. Put my jello in. Ta-da! Yellow. 97 hours later, it'll be ready to eat. Hey, sneeze, you bugger. Sneeze.